Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Lowkey Braceface. Back with another banger, and yes, I'm finally back. I had to take a long break because I just didn't really know what to film, and a few days ago, my friend Vay, shout out to you, she wanted me to do a room tour, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. Obviously, this is not my room, this is just where I'm starting, and I cut my hair, and it's straight right now. I cut my hair, and I just got my bands changed yesterday, so they are red now, and I'm almost done with these braces. I only have a year left, so I'm really excited about that. Also, Lydia got braces, so I'll show you that if she wants to show you. And no more rambling, let's just get started with this video. Hi, Sparks. You close the door, you have shoes. Most of these are Lydia's. These are mine, and those are mine. And that's it. Oh, that one shoe right there is mine too. And then you turn here. Lydia's poster board and a door chair. And then we have this little like princess type backpack hanger thing that keeps falling. That's Lydia's, that's mine. My backpacks are heavy, so I only hang up one.
You see how heavy that unicorn is?
And then that's Lydia's hoverboard, that one's mine. And then we have a whole bunch of paintings down here that we don't know where to hang up because we have so many. And then you look on the wall, we have random stickers, and then that's Lydia's unicorn thing. That's my painting. Anyway, we have this.
That was our mom's and passed on generations.
Yeah, it's just a bear, or it's two bears just being bears. Next we have an evil eye. Basically, it protects all of the demons and weird stuff from us, and is part of our ethnicity. Is that right? I think that's right. I don't know. I could be wrong. Anyway, next, this is Lydia's painting right here. She did this last year, and then you look down. There's another one of Lydia's paintings she did, like a long time ago. Then you come back up over here. We have shelves. So on this first shelf, we have an easy bake oven, and then this is like a little water thing. These two things, we don't use them anymore, so if you want them, we will sell them to you. I'm just kidding.
I'm like, okay.
And then you look down. This one's my shelf. I have more paintings back here. There's, how many here? There's 3 there, and then there's one here that I did in 5th grade. And then a DVD player, bucket full of random stuff, diary and markers, books, pencil case, Jumanji, that, and flower. Oh, and went to Las Vegas. We had this, like, we went to this Paris place. It was so cool, and we got this. It's like a Eiffel Tower cup, and then have letters. So yeah. So it's like a little plaything. Then if you go back up, this is a few things we got from a friend. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. And then these two are, this one's from language arts class, like a little certificate, and I got chosen for chatting. And then this is from track. It's just a certificate to know that I was on track team. And then if you come down, this one's my candy cane. We got this last year for Christmas. We tried to eat it, but then I found out it was just a collectible thing. That's why there's a random piece missing. And then I got this bear from April for Valentine's Day. Thank you. And then I have these, a poopsie, a unicorn, a squeezy thingy, and a frog. And then this is like a whole bunch of head stuff, like headbands, hair wraps, headphones. And then this right here is a picture that I got from Six Flags. Moving over here, we have this rainbow flag because last weekend we went to the Pride Festival just to support everyone. And then we have saving stuff. It's not going very well. Anyway, this is our goal, and this is where we are. It's like, last time I counted it was just $5 and a few cents. Then I have my chapstick, because, you know, always got to be using that chapstick. Then I have my Wii U console, earphones, pencils. And then the dresser, it's just dresser full with clothes, obviously. And then this right here is the TV. It's pretty good, big, I guess you could say. Then we have this behind. We got these two from Chicago when we went to, I don't remember what Musashi's, I think it was called. And they gave us those. And then Lydia got this for her birthday. Not last year, but the year before. It's just a unicorn piggy bank. And then that's our old piggy bank. And drawers full of jewelry. And that's some of the 9 rocks. And then a random edge toothbrush. And then the speakers. Then she has a whole bunch of stuffed animals. And you'll see more. And she has this Believe in Your Dreams poster, a medal for soccer.
I was a can't draw nothing.
Well, Xavier did this, and it's really good.
You can't even draw a stick figure.
That's kind of sad.
I know.
This is a whole bunch of Lydia stuff. It's like slime and stuff. And then in there she has like, I don't know, stuff. And then in the next one she has LOLs. And then all the way at the bottom I think it's just like socks. And then right here we just have our suitcases. Right now it is full of clothes, but usually they're empty because we travel a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And then you look over here, I have 2 backpacks just holding stuff that I don't know where to put. So my Polaroid glasses, a brush, and facial stuff. And then you look here, my panda backpack. I don't know what I have in here, honestly. It's just hanging right there. And then we have our lamp. And then I have a whole bunch of lanyards on here. And then a medal I got from band. And I went to Imagine. And then finally you reached what you probably all have been waiting for, the bed. So, just to do something simple, you climb up the ladder. You say hi to Lydia. Oh, you guys saw her braces. Peep those. Yeah. Anyway. And then that's a pillow, bear. This is Lydia's bear. It's my bear. Lydia. My blanket. See, Lydia's the one that likes bears on the bed. I like a whole bunch of blankets. So it's hot either way around. So over here, this was from the Pride Festival we went to. And I just have it hanging there because I think it's cool. And then on this side, Lydia has her Adidas bag and my robe thingy for some weird reason, you weirdo. Let's come back around. So, there's a chair. I'm going to sit in it. Move, Sparky. Thank you. Because I'm a little lazy. So, right here, I have, if you don't know me, I love perfume, lotion, anything that smells good. And back there, I have sunscreen, so that's good too. Yeah, there's that. And then I have my stocking from last year. This is a picture from a long time ago. I'm not going to show too much of that because it's really ugly. Those are 2 slimes that I didn't make. I just bought those. Well, actually, no. I got those for Easter. And then there's another perfume. And this is, I made a record for track for long jump. And I got 5th place for the record. And then random Orbeez, nail dryer, a nail brush, and then a whole bunch of binders and a locker divider because why not? Because if I didn't put anything here, it would have looked weird, so I just put that there because it looks pretty nice. And then, as you guys know, I do draw. I still have to show you those. I have my pencil bag. Ooh, my pencil bag, and I love chapstick, so yeah, got that chapstick from Briargate. Shout out to them. That's who my orthodontist is. So let's go there if you live in Colorado Springs. I have a book that I'm still working on. I'm literally only on page 5 because I just got it like a day ago. Nail polished and a whole bunch more at the bottom. I don't know why my camera's blurry. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay. Yeah, it smells really strong when I open that. So now it smells like nail polish. Then let's go to the top first. So I have earrings here. That's the disco ball. And this is, I do henna. So this is a whole bunch of henna stuff right here. And then I lost my tooth yesterday when I was at the orthodontist. This is dog treats we got from the Pride Festival. And this is Alexa. She worked. This is Lydia's hat from the Pride Festival. Obviously equality for them and just a random thing, I guess. And then a hat. Lydia has the perfume and the body wash of this. So that's what that is. And then her nail stuff, and then an empty henna package, I'm assuming. Now coming here, these are a whole bunch of Polaroid pictures that I took on my Polaroid. Yeah. Just like a little glimpse. Those are not even half of them. They're just some I have hanging right there. And then obviously how to take these and put them up. Just pictures I took with the cousin and the sister when we went to Chuck E. Cheese for a birthday. Lotion. I always need lotion. This is good lotion. Ordered off Avon. And then Clorox wipes because this desk right here gets dirty a lot, so we just keep Clorox wipes. Lydia's earbuds. We got this at the Pride Parade. I don't really know what it means. I forgot. She did a lot of talking, but yeah. Lydia's slimes that she made. So Lydia got this book from teen stuff, and then I have the preteen one. I don't know, it's backwards for some reason. It just is. This is a tablet cover, and then these are her art books. Lydia got this from from the Pride Parade, and then this is her Evans card. Ooh, I just showed it, Lydia. I just showed your face. And then this is Lydia's ortho bag and her. Now coming under here, I know it looks like a lot of stuff. So that's Lydia's little bear thing that's really flat. And then there's Lydia's backpack, my backpack. Though this laughing thing has the rest of my pictures in it. And then this is a whole bucket full of stuffed animals, pretty much. And then on this side is just a whole bunch of random stuff that we need to put away somewhere. And then these are clean clothes that we need to put away. Lastly, we have the closet. We can only use one side because our bed takes over one side. This is just a Vans bag. I like Vans. So is Lydia. And then we got this like 2 years ago. Just a head thing. And then you open it. First you see my clothes. I don't have very many, but see my clothes. I'm just kidding. I have a lot and I need to get rid of them. So if you want something that you see, just message me and I'll probably sell it to you. Yeah, pants up there, short sleeve, long sleeve, random stuff. And then my Easter bag and Vans boxes and hangers. And this is Lydia's side. Not as full as mine, but she's making progress. And we have a whole bunch of shoes down there, and then some clothes had fell, so that's what's in the closet. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little video. It was, I don't know if it was long or short. I think it was a little short for what I usually record. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.
Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shorty look good in the moonlight.